Now traveling. The latest road conditions for the city you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Here is information about a winter storm warning for the following county: Dodge, Wisconsin. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. Wednesday. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Wednesday. What? For the winter storm warning, heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Winds gusting